Hello guys, welcome to another trading strategy. So in today's video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy. And this strategy I'm going to be showing you guys settings for the strategy and how the strategy works. Okay, so stay tuned and make sure you follow up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. So that being said, now this strategy is useful on all the boom and crash index. Okay, so you can use it on boom and all the crash. Okay, so let me show you guys settings for the strategy before we dive into how the strategy works. The first thing you are going to do is just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. This is where we are going to be adding all our indicator up. Now, for the first indicator, which is going to be the Bollinger Bands. How do we add it up? We click on this F icon at the top. We search for Bollinger Bands and these are the parameters. Now, the period is 35. Deviation is 0.400. Shift is 1. Apply it close. And for the style, we only need the lower style, okay? Make sure you use any color of your choice. The remaining set it as a background color, then click on save. Okay, so that is the first indicator we need for the strategy. Now moving on to the next one, which is going to be the ADX, which we are looking at it right here. Now for the ADX, if you want to add it up, you click on this F icon again. You search for ADX and these parameters. The period is 14. The levels, we need the 15 and the 85 levels. Of course, using style of your choice. Go back, and for the style of the Bollinger Bands, for the parameters, for the style of the parameter for the Bollinger Bands, we only need the minus D1. The remaining set is our background color and click on save. So that is all we need for the ATX. Now for the last indicator on the list, which is going to be the moving average. At the top, we click on this indicator window 1 F plus. We search for moving average and these are the parameters. Now the period should be 12. Shift is 0 into exponential. Apply to close, and for the style, use any color of your choice. Click on save. So that is all we need for this strategy. Okay, so how does the strategy works? Okay, that is what we are going to be discussing right now. Now if you want to get a free $20 $25 no deposit bonus, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below for the broker you are going to be getting that free $25 no deposit bonus. Okay, so click on the link in the description below. You are going to see it right here. That is there. Okay, so that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. Okay, so now this is what we are going to do. Now if you want to use this strategy, this is what you are going to do. Now before we take any trade with this strategy, we want to confirm our indicator in the one, then the remaining should be on our main chart. And what is the confirmation we want to see on our indicator in the one? Firstly, we want to see multiple spike breaking above the moving average, which happens right here. So a break above the moving average and it's a multiple spike. The first one is the second one and the third one. So after all this spike right here, we should expect that the moving average line moves straight to the 85 levels, which is right here. So after the moving average moves straight to the 85 levels, then the next thing we are looking out for is the moving average to now break below the ADX, which happens right here. So we are looking at it right here. After breaking below the ADX, then that's already confirmed that we should be looking to scalp. Now if you now want to take any entries, you firstly want to see that a price break below the moving average, right? The Bollinger Bands. The price has to break below the Bollinger Bands. After the spike, after a candle close below the Bollinger Bands, we wait for another 3 candles, which is this first one, second one, and the third one, and we enter right at this first one. That is where we are going to enter for our trade, and then we scalp 20 to 10 candles and close our positions. Okay, so that is how we trade with this strategy. Now let me go to crash to show you guys another example on crash. So this is another trading example right here. Firstly, you want to see a multiple spike in the market, which you can see it right here, and this edge spike. After the spike break below the moving average, we should already confirm that the moving average is heading towards the 15 levels. On the moving average, once the moving average reaches 15 levels, the next thing we are looking out for is to break above the ADX, which happens right here. After the moving average break above the ADX, the next thing we now looking out for is our main chart for an entry. Now, if you want to take a trade, you want to see where a candle close above the Bollinger Bands with another 3 candles, and then we enter right at the fourth one. 10 to 20 candles is enough. Then you close your position and wait for another trading opportunities. Now, before this spike right here, if we count this candle right from here, you can see that it's even more than a 10 candles. So that is why you don't greed with the strategy. You take your small candles and you close your positions. Okay, so that's how the strategy works, and I hope you guys find it helpful. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification and post strategy. You guys will be having. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.